Okay guys, welcome to Code Minds Hope. Today I will try Laravel Breeze. You know Laravel Breeze is the Laravel authentication features including login, there's registration, password, emails, verification, and password confirmation. Um, and yeah, is it scaffolding like login, register, password reset, email verification, password confirmation. So today I will use Laravel Breeze. And Laravel Breeze is made up with simple blade templates styled with Tailwind CSS. So let's get started. The first thing I should do is um, make my new Laravel project. Okay, and I will go to terminal. So I use Laragon and I active my SQL and my database servers. So I go to terminal and make my new Laravel project before I require the Laravel brace. Okay, I will make Laravel project with the command like this. Composer create project Laravel slash Laravel, and my name project is mm, admin, new admin. Okay,
Okay, after you install your new Laravel project, go back to Laravel documentation and install Laravel brace using Composer with this command. Just copy and go back to the terminal. So I will get into the folder of the new Laravel project I made with cd new admin new admin, and I will run this code from VS Code with code space dot enter. And I will close the terminal because I'll use terminal from VS Code. Close console. And from this, I will go to terminal with control plus tick. Control plus tick. Okay, from here I use terminal, and the terminal is the best. The best. And I will right click to paste the command that I copy and enter to install Laravel brace.
I will change the database connect in .env in here, you can just uncomment this script and change DB connection to MySQL because I use MySQL. And the database name I change with the name new admin, same as the Laravel name. Then save it. Oh, this control and save, control save. Okay, the require have been down. Then we go to the next command. The Breeze install command will prompt you for preferred front-end stack and testing framework. Okay, so copy this, control copy, and go back to the terminal and right click, enter. Which Breeze stack would you like to install? I will use Black Wheel Alpine C. So I write in this Black. Would you like dark mode support? Yes. Which testing framework do you prefer? 1. PHP Unit. Install the Breeze. We go to the next command is PHP artisan migrate. Just copy the code and go back to the terminal and right click to paste, enter. And so migrate the database, migrate the query and everything database to the database MySQL. Yes, creating migration table, running migration. Our database localhost PHP my admin. Yes, there is a database with the new admin, and we can see the inside of database new admin. There is a table with the name user that we can use to your application, admin application. Okay, go back. The next command is npm install. Control copy, Control C, and go back to the terminal and paste. Okay, go to the next command npm run dev. Before that, I will go to the Okay, after we are registered, we are get into the dashboard as admin because I register as admin. Then I log out again and click already register to go into /login, and I'm login with the admin@gmail.com, password admin123456, and login. And go back again to the dashboard as admin. Go to profile, then change the name admin with Cord Minds Hub, my YouTube channel name. Save. Then my name is changed with Cord Minds Hub. Okay, thank you guys for watching this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.